Ready to start your job search on Monster.com? Creating an account is the essential first step to access millions of job listings and career resources. First, visit Monster.com using your web browser or download the free mobile app from the App Store or Google Play for convenient access on the go. Once on the site, locate the Sign Up button on the homepage. This button opens the door to creating your account and exploring job opportunities. Finally, ensure you have a valid email address prepared. You'll need it to create your account and complete the verification process. Signing up is free and user-friendly. Next, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. This includes your email address, a secure password, and your location. As of 2025, Monster.com also offers the option to integrate with your LinkedIn profile for easier information import. Once you've filled out the required fields, you'll need to verify your identity via email or SMS. This security measure, including CAPTCHA, helps protect your account. Optional two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. The email verification process ensures only valid emails are used. With your account created, it's time to build your profile. Monster.com will prompt you to upload an existing resume in PDF, DocX, or TXT format, or create one using their built-in resume builder. The drag-and-drop builder provides various templates to suit your needs: professional, creative, and tech-focused. Be sure to include relevant skills, experience, and education details. As of 2025, AI suggestions are available to optimize your resume for applicant tracking systems. To personalize your job search experience, set your job preferences. This includes specifying the types of jobs you're interested in, the industries you prefer, and your desired locations. Choose job types such as full-time, part-time, contract, or remote work options. Select preferred industries like technology, healthcare, finance, or others that match your career interests. Specify locations, including cities, states, or remote work preferences. This information enables Monster.com's AI to provide tailored job suggestions, including smart alerts curated based on your behavior. You can update these preferences at any time from your account dashboard, ensuring your search stays current with your career goals. One of the most valuable features of Monster.com is the Job Alerts system. After creating your account, navigate to the Job Alerts section in your dashboard. Here, you can define specific criteria for your alerts, such as keywords, salary range, and remote work options. Choose how you want to receive alerts, via email, app notifications, or SMS. Consider setting up smart alerts powered by AI to receive curated job suggestions based on your behavior. Effectively managing your resume is crucial for attracting potential employers on Monster.com. You can choose to make your resume private or searchable to recruiters, giving you control over who can see your profile. Regularly update your resume to reflect your latest skills, experience, and achievements. This keeps your profile current and increases your chances of being discovered by employers. Take advantage of Monster.com's AI-powered suggestions to improve your resume's ATS compatibility and overall effectiveness. The AI analyzes job descriptions and recommends improvements to help your resume stand out. Monster.com offers a range of features, including resume management, where you can upload and edit your resume for better presentation. Customizable job alerts keep you notified of matching opportunities. AI-powered matching provides personalized job recommendations based on your profile. Data privacy is paramount on Monster.com. You have full control over the visibility of your information to employers. The platform uses cookies and analytics to improve job matching, but opt-out options are available to protect your preferences. Free accounts provide basic access, but may have limitations. Premium subscriptions unlock advanced features like unlimited resume views and priority matching for a more comprehensive job search experience. To maximize your success on Monster.com, keep your profile updated regularly with new skills and experiences. Refine your job alert criteria to focus on specific industries, locations, and salary ranges for better matches. Actively engage with the platform by using AI tools for resume optimization and applying to relevant opportunities. Stay informed about emerging trends in the job market. The increasing role of AI is transforming how resumes are optimized and jobs are matched, with departments like IT and finance being most impacted. The rise of remote work continues to grow, with significant increases over the past decade. In the future, expect more immersive job search experiences, potentially including VR-based virtual job fairs and metaverse networking. Stay ahead of the curve to land your dream job.